I'm Joanne from Living Blessed on Less, and I have 5 restaurant tips that will really save you money. This channel is all about living well without spending a lot of money. If you're like me, you love to go out to eat. And if you follow these tips, you'll be able to go out more often. Tip number 1, use coupons. And this would be in the form of a Groupon, the entertainment book, and restaurant.com. I'm sure you have some of your own ideas that you could add to this. And this is an additional tip. If you use a Groupon, don't buy the certificates until they offer you an additional 25 or 30% off. This is another way where you're going to get to eat out more often. When you use an additional percentage off promo code for Groupon, you can see how in this case, you'd only be paying $25.50 for a $50 restaurant certificate. Restaurant.com has 2 ways to save. One way is by purchasing certificates similar to Groupon. Keep in mind that these certificates also go on sale, so try to purchase them with a promo code. For more information, go to restaurant.com. When you join the annual membership of entertainment.com for $34.99, this will entitle you to numerous discounts that will far outweigh this cost. And the great news is you can check out what's available in your area and try this out for free before you purchase. Tip number 2, check out your early bird specials and your happy hours. By eating just a little bit earlier than you're used to, you could get some phenomenal deals. There is a place in our area that offers a happy hour special where they have dollar beers, and they also have this fantastically large nacho platter that is enough for a meal for only $5. When you look around, you'll notice that many upscale restaurants also offer lower prices at an earlier hour. Tip number 3, sign up for the Facebook pages of restaurants in your area. I've noticed all kinds of ways to save by checking Facebook pages, where restaurants offer all kinds of special deals and promos. Facebook is a way where some of these restaurants advertise daily, and these are specials that you would not find anywhere other than on Facebook. Tip number 4, find places that offer BYOB. Being able to bring your own cocktails or wine to a dinner is a fantastic way to be able to order extra food off the menu without racking up the bill with the alcohol. This is a common one, but it's worth mentioning. Tip number 5, don't forget to sign up for apps at your favorite restaurants. Most chain restaurants have VIP clubs through their apps. You can rack up points and all kinds of discounts and free items by using these, including birthday discounts. I've gotten free appetizers, free desserts, percentage off the meals. Just keep checking those apps for better deals. Try not to eat out ever unless you're getting one of these discounts. Trust me, when you see how much money you're saving, you're not going to want to ever pay full price. My husband and I make it a point to never go out to eat unless we know we're getting a fabulous deal. This way, we can go out more often. Living blessed on less is a whole concept. It also means that we're generous with other people. So make sure that you do tip your waitresses and waiters fairly, even though you're getting a discount. I've lived my entire life getting great deals in an honest way, and I want to share all my tips with you.